So over here you can see that this is a shared team space, and then over here you can see that I can view the current viewers. So I'm viewing this particular page over here as well, and if I were to go ahead and make a change right here, then you can actually see the change happening right here. So now let's say for example you want to communicate with one another, then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and add in comments. Let's say for example I can go ahead and say something like, please improve this right here, and let me just go ahead and send out the comment. So once you do that, you can actually see the comment right here, and I'm going to say okay, sure, right here, just like this. You can also attach a file over here onto this particular comment if you want right here as well. Let's say for example I'm going to go ahead and attach this file, and then I can also mention a particular person as well. Let's say for example I can go ahead and type in add and then attach out another and say something like, take a look at this right here. So I can go ahead and communicate via the comment as well. And as I were to actually go ahead and do that, you can see the comment right here. So now let's say for example I make the change and the comment has been resolved. In that case, I can go ahead and let's say for example add a reaction right here just like this, and you can simply communicate right here, edit the comment as you like, or copy link to this particular description, or resolve this out as well. So you can see that this is how you can go ahead and comment out. So you can go ahead and add in comments. You can also see, let's say for example, reply and mentions right here, as you can see right here. Let me just go ahead and then click on here, click on add comment just like this. And let me just go around over here, and then let's say for example add in comment right here just like this. So let's just go around over here, add in comment right here just like this, and that is what you have. So let's just go around and send out the comment, and then around over here let me just go around and add in another comment right here just like this, and this is what you have. And you can also see replies and mentions, filter it out according to how you want. So that is how you can actually go ahead and utilize comments in shared pages to actually communicate with one another. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.